Hello, I'm Colby Sims, CAL FIRE Battalion Chief of Law Enforcement for the San Mateo-Santa Cruz Unit. Beginning December 1st, 2025, the County of Santa Cruz will require CAL FIRE residential burn permits to conduct backyard burning within Santa Cruz County. This is a change from past practices, and the CAL FIRE San Mateo-Santa Cruz Unit would like to assist during this transition to ensure that residents are educated and aware of the requirements. One big improvement is that the residential burn permit can be applied and received online now. The process for obtaining an online CAL FIRE residential burn permit can be found at burnpermit.fire.ca.gov. As the applicant, you need to select the residential burn permit near the bottom left of the first page. Once you have selected this, there is pertinent information on the next page that you should familiarize yourself with. At the bottom of this page, there is a drop-down selection box where you will select Santa Cruz County. Once you have completed that, click Next. The next page has prompted questions that you need to answer in order to obtain your permit. This page will also have a Google Maps display. In the upper left-hand corner of this display, you will enter your address or the address that the burning will take place. Once this is completed, complete the remaining prompted questions, then click Next. The next page will ask you to confirm the burn location information, including your email address. It is very important that your email is correct, because this is where your approved residential burn permit will be emailed to. Then click Next. The next page will have an informational video that is approximately 2 minutes long that you will need to watch. After watching the video, scroll down the page and sign in the allocated box. This can be done using your mouse cursor. Then click Submit. An email will be sent to the email address you provided within a few minutes of submitting your application. After receiving the email with the permit, print it and retain a physical copy. Some key things to remember when burning. Have a physical copy of your permit with you at all times while pile burning. You are required, while burning, to be in attendance of the burn pile. Only dry, dead vegetation originating on the property can be burned. No trash items, dimensional lumber, or other similar materials can be burned. Piles are not to exceed 4 feet by 4 feet in size. You need to have a water supply when burning, as well as a hand tool or hand tools, such as shovels, present when burning. When you have completed burning, ensure the pile is out. Soak the area with water. Then utilize the hand tool to sift the area, exposing heated ash and materials within the pile, and reapply water. Repeat this process until the pile is cold and no smoke coming from the pile. This is the same process to safely extinguish campfires. Be familiar with the terms of your burn permit and acceptable materials to burn. Burning is an excellent tool to discard the proper materials, but you as the applicant accept responsibility for the fire you are starting. If done improperly, you could be subject to legal action by law enforcement, and should the fire escape your control and property, you could also be subject to civil actions by affected neighbors. Thank you for taking the time to educate yourself on how to obtain an online residential burn permit and safely utilize burning to aid in cleaning up your property. We at the CAL FIRE San Mateo Santa Cruz Unit hope you have a wonderful day and be fire safe.